Thousands of people are using apps like this to search phone locations. But what actually happens when you enter a phone number? Let's launch the app and take a closer look at every step of the process. When the application starts, it begins loading its internal services and establishes the secure connections needed for the tracking procedure. After a brief moment, a notification screen is displayed. To continue, review and accept the terms and privacy agreement. Then tap the Accept and Continue button. Next, you'll see the phone number input screen. Choose the correct country code for the device you want to search and enter the target phone number. After entering the number, press Next to proceed. Before the process can begin, the app asks for several permissions. Allow all requested permissions so the application can continue. The system first checks available satellite connections and then gathers network information required for location processing. The application then initiates communication with the target device and starts estimating its position. We are now in the primary settings area. Inside the General Settings section, enable GPS triangulation, live movement monitoring, and device status detection to collect connection-related information. Further below, support for multiple satellite navigation technologies is available. Select the preferred options and tap Continue. In the Advanced Settings section, additional tracking options can be customized. The Location Precision setting allows you to control how accurate the results should be. The refresh interval determines how often location information is updated. The Scan mode defines the method used to detect devices during the search. You can also enable automatic satellite selection so the app chooses the strongest available connection. After completing the configuration, tap Begin Search. The application will now start processing the request. In the background, several tasks are performed, including permission validation, GPS status checks, satellite connection setup, network analysis, signal evaluation, and coordinate retrieval. As the search progresses, different stages are completed one after another. The app first establishes a connection with satellite services. It then collects network-related data before initiating communication with the target device. Once that step is finished, the application calculates the estimated position and retrieves GPS coordinates. After the process is complete, the results are displayed on an interactive map screen. At the top of the interface, the target phone number appears alongside a live connection status. The map visualizes the detected route, while the information panel provides current location details and GPS accuracy data. From this screen, users can follow movement updates in real time and view refreshed coordinates directly on the map. This concludes the complete demonstration of the Android application and an overview of all its available functions.